In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get the Hilton Aspire American Express credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to americanexpress.com. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to click on credit cards under the personal tab, and then you'll have access to every single credit card that American Express offers. So from here, you'll need to click all credit cards in the filters, and then you can search for the Aspire credit card right here. The Hilton honors American Express Aspire card. And then from here, you'll need to click apply now. From here, you can see you'll go into the application page where you'll need to enter your personal information like first name, middle name, and last name, your name on the card, which is the name that will be visible on the card once you receive the credit card. You'll need to enter your date of birth, meaning month, day, and then year. Lastly, you will enter your email address so American Express can contact you whether or not you have been accepted into this specific credit card and if there is going to become any updates with the credit card for future. You'll also need to enter your mobile phone number, your home street address so American Express can send you the credit card with apartment, suite, zip code, city, or state. You also need to enter your social security number, and if you don't got that, you can also write in your individual taxpayer identification number right here. If you already have an American Express account in another country, you can sign in by clicking on this link right here, and then all of this other information will also be automatically filled out. Here you'll need to enter your total annual income and non-taxable income. You'll also need to choose the income source, either employed, retired, self-employed, unemployed, military, business owner, or any other income source that you have. You can also enter your Hilton honor number if you have that, but it is not necessary. From here, you'll need to click continue to terms, and then from here, you'll need to enter and submit the application. From here, you'll get a decision and be told whether or not you have been approved for the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire credit card. But that's how I do it. If you have questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!